Guys, what's happening? How to use new social media apps for brand promotion, right? Use the unique features. Explore tools like filters or even live streams by clicking the plus button at the middle and then find the live stream so you can start streaming and engage with your audience and collaborate with influencers. Partner with micro or macro influencers to tap into their audience, right? Engage creatively, excuse me. Um, Create shareable, interactive content that encourages user participation. Next, use targeted ads, right? Use the platform's native boost post features to target specific demographics and foster a loyal following community by hosting live sessions, Q&A, and giveaways. Use the new features to your advantage. Make your brand a buzzword. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.